Hello. Task Tree is a web application for organizing and visualizing your tasks into projects. You may begin using it by going to this URL http://todotree.herokuapp.com. The home page gives an overview and there is an FAQ section to help you get started. In this short video, I will guide you through the steps. First, you need to sign up, which you can do using either your email or your Twitter account. However, if you want to receive email reminders of your task deadlines, you must sign in with your email. Since I'm already signed up for this, I'll log in with my email ID. Let's get started by creating a new project by clicking on this projects button on the menu bar. This is a list of pending projects I have created earlier. I'll add a new one by clicking this button. Say I am in charge of the Office Annual Awards function. Any notes pertaining to this task can be entered here. Due date and opt to be reminded. I leave this field called parent blank for now because this is a root task. We'll come back to this later. Creating this task takes me to the project pane. There are basically two sections. On the left, you see the currently selected task and its dependencies. On the right is the tree of all the tasks for the entire project. We will be adding subtasks in the left and see the tree grow on the right. So what are the subtasks which I need to do to complete this Office Annual Awards function? Well, firstly, the award ceremony itself has to be right. Stage decoration. Reception, entertainment of guests. So as you can see, the three subtasks have been added here and the root task is beginning to branch into a tree. Let's navigate to any of these subtasks by clicking on its node in the tree. Award ceremony. It itself will have some subtasks which could be finalizing the list of awardees, rehearsals would need to be carried out, similarly the reception and entertainment of guests would depend on, for example, the guest list, the deciding of food and beverages, and organizing a short cultural program. So as you can see, the project's tree grows as you add more and more tasks. You can go to any task by clicking on it. Rehearsal of award distribution. You can see another section has been added here. These are the parent tasks of this task. Award ceremony depends on this, and the Office Annual Awards function depends on this. This app makes it easy to show your completed tasks. For example, let's say your list of awardees has been finalized. So you just click here and it moves from the incomplete to the complete bin. And it's also formatted differently both here and in the tree. You can collapse or expand the entire tree by clicking on these plus buttons, or any section of the tree can also be collapsed or expanded. One more feature is this which you can use to hide the completed tasks or show them all. Let's go back to the project page. See, here is the project which we added, the Office Annual Awards function due on 1st of October. Suppose you want to add a task directly. Say you realize that you would need to procure medals for the award ceremony. So I write procurement of medals here and make its parent to be the award ceremony. This would create the task and put it in its appropriate place in the tree. Another useful feature is the calendar. of your tasks. So 31st going to October, this will show you all the tasks due in the current month, and you can navigate to the tasks directly from there. Lastly, this app adapts well to the mobile phone screen. It has the full functionality, as you can see here. Particularly, you may like to note how the calendar adapts well to the mobile screen. It becomes a collapsing calendar. So I hope this tutorial has been useful for you if you are planning to use the application. Thank you.